ECDC welcomes you to this video tutorial. Let me show you in only 2 minutes, how do hyFive tool administrators manage healthcare facilities, contact the users of the tool and consult the observations transferred to them. When you log in, as an administrator, you will land on this page. Under the Observations tab, you get an overview of all observations transferred to you. There is a dedicated tab to create new healthcare facilities where you can define the first coordinator for that facility. Under Administrators, you can add other administrators, if needed. Send emails to coordinators and observers directly from the hyFive tool. In the Reports tab, you can visualize the results and export them to Excel format. Select the reporting interval, the period, the department type, the department, the unit, and the role. The tool will then display graphs showing the compliance rate results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to consult the handbook for more detailed instructions.